Sneeze guard glass cover for restaurants and dining. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, the entire length of the glass sheet. We have at least 35.5 inches. And the overall height, with the pedestal holding the sheet of glass, we have 25.75 inches. Measurements for the base holding the sheet of glass for each one. We have 4.5 inches in length by 4.25 inches in depth. The left and right base holding the sheet of glass can be widened or narrowed depending on your choice and how you want to mount it. So for example, the left and right will be mounted to the surface, and it's your choice to spread the left and right brackets very wide or have it narrow. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.